Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start working with Google Analytics and how to start collecting your data. Firstly, you need to visit the main page of the service analytics.google.com and sign up with your Google account. If you don't have anyone, you should create it. We should press sign up button and then start with adding your business information. It's a structure of Google Analytics account. You have an account, properties, and views. Account, you should name it according to the name of your business. For example, if you have a company which has a lot of websites, your account should be named according to your company name, and properties according to each website. It's the most convenient way to name your business information in the Google Analytics account. For example, for our company, I name account UAA and in our website UAA.agency. And then I need to add the website URL. You should choose the correct option, HTTP, either HTTPS. And I'm adding the link and industry category. It's needed to service could use and analyze your data. Then in this case, you need to choose correct time zone. We are situated in Ukraine, so I've chosen Ukraine and GMT +3. Then you need to mark your agreement with the data sharing settings. So you see to Google Analytics that you agree with collecting and sharing your data. Then you need to press Get Tracking ID button, and you should accept the agreement, and your account is created, so you can start working with Google Analytics. Firstly, you need to set up data collection, turn on remarketing and advertising reporting features. It's needed to use all functions of Google Analytics. It's important to turn it on when you're creating an account because Google Analytics start collecting your audience data to making lists of your visitors just after turning it on, and then you need to add tracking code on your website. It's your Google Analytics. You have an instruction here. It's really convenient to use Google Tag Manager. You can follow this link and make all needed actions according to instruction. And then you need to create different views. View, it's the visualization of your data. So you can set it up, and for example, you can add filters, different channel grouping, and e-commerce settings. For example, you can create different goals and analyze the user's behavior using different views. So in the next videos we will tell you how to start working with analytics and how to analyze your data.